I'd like to tell you about the VIJIM LED video light. I purchased this to provide some additional light for vlogging and for filming videos of products. And as you can see, this is a rechargeable LED light. It has a cold shoe, which allows it to be mounted on a camera such as this one via the cold shoe. As a note, it also has 3 cold shoe mounts on each side so that you can attach other cold shoe items or more lights together via the cold shoes. On the back, it has 2 dials. One is for power, turning it on and turning the brightness from 10% to 100%. I will say I have a few other lights from other brands, and this one is much brighter than the others. The second is to control the temperature of the light from a cool to a warm light. Here we'll take a look at no light, and then we can see the impact that this light has on a product in the foreground. You can see it's very bright, and depending on the angle that you hold it, it also can control the way that the shadows cast. So we can also change the temperature, and you can see it changing from warm to cool. This light does have kind of a soft, opaque front that's called a soft panel, which is meant to soften the light. I will say it's still not the softest light as it could be. Here we'll take a look at what it does on skin tones, going from perfectly dark to showing you the level of light produced solely from this light in a room that doesn't have any lights on. So overall, I'm very pleased with this light. It is very bright. I think the price is very affordable, and for that price, you're getting a very capable light. You can also see that it is rechargeable. In the box along with the light, you will receive a USB charging cord. So if you're looking for a light of this type, I would suggest that you check out the VIJIM LED video light.